If you want your broilers to grow fast, it starts from day one. The first 7 days are the most important in a broiler's life. That's when their body is forming, so everything you give them, feed, water, warmth, directly affects how fast and healthy they'll grow. Start by giving glucose and vitamins in clean water as soon as they arrive. This helps them recover from transport stress and boosts early strength. Feed them quality starter mash with high protein content, and make sure they can eat and drink easily at all times. The brooding area must stay warm, around 32 to 35 degrees for the first week, and clean at all times. Wet or cold litter slows growth and invites disease. Good ventilation is also key to avoid ammonia buildup, which affects appetite. Stick to a proper vaccination and deworming schedule, and avoid stress from overcrowding or poor handling. Healthy, stress-free birds grow faster and convert feed better. Like and subscribe for updates on poultry farming.